Phishing emails are a form of spam that attempt to trick people into providing personal information. Sometimes these fraudulent emails can look pretty official. Here are a couple of things to watch out for. Be careful about emails that ask for sensitive information. Most legitimate businesses will never ask for information like your bank account or social security number via email. Make sure the sender's address matches who the email appears to come from. You can click Show Details to see the sender's actual address. In this case, this email looks like it's from someone from Google, but the email address doesn't look very official. If it were really from Google, it would have been sent from someone at google.com. Lastly, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Think twice before replying to any email that asks you for personal information.